Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm showing you guys this perfect smothered turkey wing recipe. So delicious. But before I begin, be sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new here, and let's begin. Alright family, here are the ingredients for today's recipe. I will have them listed below for you guys, but we have about 6 pounds of turkey wings here, and also we have the dry seasoning. They are onion powder, garlic powder, Sazon, creole seasoning, dry parsley, paprika, ground black pepper, and we have some adobo seasoning, flour, melted butter, a little bit of chicken broth, as well as a whole onion chopped, and we also have some olive oil in the back. Now to begin, we're going to start by seasoning our turkey wings. You can see how clean they are. Make sure you clean them with some lime or vinegar, or at least rinse them. Come on now, at least give it a quick wash, you know. But to season, we are going to add half of the seasoning, then I will flip them over and add the remaining of the seasoning. So we're going to start by adding the onion powder, a little bit of Sazon, the orange packet name brand is Goya, and also we're going to add our paprika, pepper. I did not add any salt to this because I didn't need it. Okay, stay away from salt. Too much sodium is not good for y'all, so stay away from that. So I'm going to flip that over and add the remaining of the seasonings. Now, once you add all of your dry seasoning, you are going to rub that seasoning in, okay? Ain't no bland chicken over here, or ain't no bland turkey over here, like my husband usually say. We are going to rub that seasoning in. Make sure we have a nice, well-coated, well-seasoning chicken. Okay, so I am going to just keep, you see how I'm working it in, rub, make sure that seasoning get in there, because we are about to cook this right away. We don't have time to marinate this overnight, so you have to really work that seasoning in. Once you are done, you are going to get ready to bake this, and I like the way it's looking. It's well seasoned, and you know it's about to be delicious. All right, now to bake the turkey wings, I am going to drizzle about a tablespoon of oil to my cast iron. Once I am done, I am going to add in my chopped onions. The onions will give the sauce, the gravy, a nice flavor. Once they're done cooking and caramelized, it's going to be very flavorful and very juicy. So we're going to add the onions at the bottom. That way, you know, you don't burn the onions. Once you are done, you are going to take your wings and just place them right on top of the onions. Now I'm going to take half a lemon and just squeeze half a lemon juice right on top of the turkey wings. Now to make my gravy nice and thick, I am going to add my flour to my chicken broth. Now, if you do like your gravy to be thicker, of course you can double the flour measurement, but I like it the way it is, so I am going to pour that in the chicken broth, stir it together. Then we're going to pour it. Don't pour it on top of the wings, okay? Just pour it on the side. Now I am also going to add some melted butter on there to be nice and buttery. Oh, it's going to be so good. Now to bake it, you are going to bake this on 400 for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. And once it is done, yo, look how good this look. Oh my goodness. It's so flavorful. You have to try this for yourself. I know Thanksgiving is right around the corner. If you don't want to cook a whole turkey, come on now, make this. And to garnish, of course, you got to come through with that fresh parsley, and boom, there you have it. The turkey was so juicy and so moist and so tender, y'all. I am so happy I made this because this definitely hit the spot right there. I rate this 10 out of 10 in my book. You'll have to try it to see what I'm talking about. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.